Getting started with the Rode NTH-100M headset. Firstly, what's in the box? How to set it all up. Locate the left ear cup of the headphones. Take the TRRS plug with locking connector. Plug into the left ear cup and twist clockwise to lock. Insert the flat connector into the TRRS input of your computer. Or if you have separate mic and headphone inputs, use the supplied splitter cable. Insert the flat connector into the TRRS input. Insert the NTH mic into the right ear cup and twist clockwise to lock. Position the headband to align the mic with your mouth.